In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Salesforce ID for an account. This is a really useful skill if you work with integrations, reports, or need to share a very specific account with your teammates or support. The Salesforce ID is a unique identifier for every record, and knowing how to quickly grab it will save you time and avoid confusion, especially when there might be multiple accounts with similar names. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in and you're on the Salesforce homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation panel, find and click on Accounts. Depending on your setup, you might see it pinned in the sidebar or under a section like More. If you don't see it right away, try expanding any menus or using the search bar at the top to search for Accounts. When you click on Accounts, Salesforce will show you a list of account records. This might be displayed in a table or list view with columns like account name, type, or owner. From this list, pick the account whose Salesforce ID you want to find. You can either scroll through the list or use the search box within the accounts page to quickly filter by the account name. Once you've located it, click directly on the account name to open that account's detail page. After the account page loads, you'll see all the usual details about that account, such as contacts, activities, and related records. To find the Salesforce ID, you won't actually be clicking anything on the page itself. Instead, move your attention to the address bar of your web browser at the very top of the screen. In the URL, look for a section that includes Lightning RR account. Immediately after that piece of text, you'll see a long alphanumeric code. This is the Salesforce ID for that account. The code will end right before view or #edit in the URL. Everything between Lightning R account and view or an edit is the ID you're looking for. Simply highlight that alphanumeric string, copy it, and you can now paste it wherever you need, into a ticket, a spreadsheet, an integration tool, or a message to a colleague. That's all there is to it. By opening the account and checking the URL, you can quickly and reliably find the Salesforce ID for any account.